Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Nothing Phone 3. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nothing Phone. Going back to Google Pixel using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files you want to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. After picking all of your files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Nothing Phone. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close all ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!